Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Compass detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Compass, start by visiting the official Compass website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. If you are a new user, look for the option to create an account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button to finalize the process. For existing users, enter your email and password in the designated fields. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. After logging in, navigate to the Settings section within your user dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the Connect with Compass option. Click on Connect with Compass to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to verify your identity through a secure method, such as email or phone verification. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will have access to various Compass features. Explore the available options and settings to customize your Compass experience. Make sure to save any changes made to your settings. After configuring your preferences, return to the main dashboard. You are now fully connected with Compass and ready to utilize its resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.